You saw it on your feed, big eyes, fuzzy hair, price tag, ridiculous, you scoffed, scroll past, and then scroll back. A $200 monster you don't need but kind of want. I almost fell for it too. I was scrolling through Pinterest with all these keychains on someone's handbags, and I was really starting to want one. Today, why Labubu triggers your psychology and why people are addicted to it. Welcome to Why You Do That? Make yourself at home. Big round head, tiny body, oversized eyes. The design style is called Kindheitschema, German for baby schema. I tried to find an explanation for this and realized that this is not a new phenomenon. It's hardwired in your brain. It makes you feel protective, interested, even emotionally attached. Marketers use it in plush toys, cartoons, even cars. Labubu takes that formula and pushes it to the limit. It's not cute, it's aggressively cute. That triggers your caregiving instincts, even if you don't realize it. Limited drop, random chance, sold out in minutes. This is engineered scarcity. Your brain interprets rare as valuable. It assumes that if something hard to get, it must be worth getting. This is FOMO, fear of missing out, weaponized. I have this feeling very often. Even if you weren't interested at first, the moment it's unavailable, your brain spikes with desire. You get one, then you want another, then you want the rare one, then the glow-in-the-dark variant. Now you're not just buying a toy, you're building a collection. And collecting isn't about stuff, it's about identity. You're telling yourself, I'm part of this group, I have taste, I spotted the trend early. Labubu becomes a badge, you didn't just join the hype, you organize it. TikTok is full of unboxing, shelf tours and haul videos. The message is subtle but powerful. Everyone else is doing this, so why I should not? This is social proof and your brain eats it up. Seeing others want something boosts your own interest. You don't even realize it's happening, but it is. The more you see Labubu, the more normal and desirable it feels. Blind boxes are evil genius. You don't know which figure you're getting. Maybe it's a common one, maybe it's a secret rare. This mixes randomness with agency, a deadly combo. You choose to buy it, but the result feels like a game, like a challenge, like next time you beat the odds. This mimics the psychology of slot machines, and yes, it's addictive. Labubu is weird, but also oddly comforting. It's soft, strange, familiar. In a chaotic world, your brain craves low-stakes joy. Collectibles offer tiny hits of control, ownership and predictability. In short, dopamine. You don't want Labubu. Your rational brain says, nah, but the rest of your brain is lighting up like a slot machine. This is modern psychology in action, not in a lab, but in your feed. If this opened your eyes to how your brain actually works, hit like. And if you watched this video all the way up here, that means it was interesting, so subscribe for more psychology you can use in real life. And if you want to support my channel and fuel the next episode, you can do this with a coffee. Link and other things you can find useful are below the video. This is Why I Do That. See you in the next one.